Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post on RedNote. If you want to share your first post on RedNote, whether it's a photo, video or lifestyle update, posting on RedNote only takes a few steps. So firstly, you need to launch your RedNote app and make sure you have already signed into your account. And after that, you need to select plus icon on the bottom. And here you can choose from the album, camera or text. You need to choose your content, as I'm going to select my content on text. So here you can share your thought. You can also select expression on the bottom left. And after you're done, you can select next in the top right. And from here, you can also choose the effect on the bottom. And you can select next after you're done. So here you can select for your hashtag. You can also select for your location. You can edit your post here. And after you're done, you can simply select post. And that is it. That's how you can post on RedNote. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.